Okay, here's the Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus. Um, it it's very nice. But I'm not able to really show it on all the speeds right now because it's kind of hard to describe. So basically, I didn't get hardly any of the screws, so I had to like take them from my other fans. And while it like fits the width of the hole on the brackets, it doesn't go in. It doesn't fit the height, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah, they're really loose. Low is about what I need to run it on, and I'm thinking of running it on medium for just a second in this video, just to get something up. Yes. And it wobbles right now because of that. This reminds me of a video someone made of a Coastal Breeze Plus one time. Okay, what was I thinking? Okay, I hope you enjoyed. There will be a better video of it sometime. I hope you enjoyed.